How to delete stickers on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete stickers on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. If you want to delete your stickers in Snapchat, you can just head over to one of the chats and open up a chat. So once you open up a chat, in this keyboard section, you'll be finding different options available. So go ahead and look at the option called sticker, this one right here, and you'll be finding all of the available stickers. So in order to delete stickers, in the bottom you'll be finding favorite stickers and the cutout stickers that you made by yourself. So these are the two kinds of stickers that you can delete from your Snapchat. So you can go to favorites if you want to delete your stickers. Long press on that sticker and remove from favorites. Otherwise you can go to cutout and you can go to the sticker, long press on it, and you'll be finding a delete option. Go ahead and tap on delete and it will be deleted. So that is super easy. You can also follow up the same process if you want to delete stickers on Snapchat. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.